Man alive, I was having to pick and choose who I was talking to because I didn't have any conditions, and I was actually getting pretty pissed off. I'm like, man alive, I actually turned everything off for a little bit and walked away, and then I came in here and sat down, and I was looking at the map, my wall map up there, and I just happened to look at the antenna switch, and it had been on the vertical all morning.
Myself, frankly, I got a relation in the U.S. Trump. American news more, I watch my own Canadian. I watch which is completely corrupt. But yeah, I'm a Trump guy there, but I know how Canada has neglected lots of things because I'm a big political guy. My wife works for the government. And I know that Canada has neglected lots of things there. And as they say, don't pay their share. I realize that, but I got a few politicians there in Canada that just don't have no backbone, you know. Today on that. Anyway, I'm going to let you go because I have to go pick my wife up. It's a good talking to you there. This is 505 Quebec, Canada, Larry. Bye. Normally I would say something about the echo, but you actually have it dialed in. It's actually helping you out on sideband. It's doing a good job. I work on it myself. I have help in the back of scenarios to keep it in I'm receiving you on a
because I'm beyond the...
Alright, you take care for it, baby. You know, you just had to throw that temperature in there, didn't you? Just to make me feel bad. Oh, I was just joking. No, just joking with you. Anyway, yeah, you take care, and be looking forward to the next time you shout. I'm sorry when we first started there that I got your numbers wrong. With another little station there kind of coming in pretty heavy. Anyway, we got it all straightened out now, my friend. Take care. 7395.
Already.
427 Arkansas. That 420, no, that would be a 327 Chevy. Go ahead, 427. Yeah, you're doing the same coming up this way. Hey, you know, I'm trying to go from memory from 1,000 numbers. I don't know if we've talked before there, 427. Well, you're doing a fine job coming in. You're right up there. You're about a 15 over an S9, and when you key down, I don't hear anybody else. So good working station there, Larry. On my end, it's coming in from pretty much anywhere. I could pick any state there was, and I can probably hear them right now. I've been from Florida, you know, right straight out through to Washington, Wyoming, Kansas, you name it, it's coming in here right now. Anyway, Larry, you've been operator 10 on this end. Glad to have a chat with you. Well, that thing's doing good. Now, just running the old trusted 7300, and that's just going straight into a 6-element Gizmachi up there, 45 feet in the air. Yeah, I'll tell you, Larry, I was really worried last night. Those winds coming in 60 mile an hour, this antenna hasn't seen that yet, and I did not know what I was going to expect this morning. And I'll make it quick, but I come down, turned the radio on about 10 o'clock, and I hadn't been out and looked at the antenna. I just keyed it down, checked the SWR, and thought, well, okay, that looks good. And it was probably 2 o'clock this afternoon before I finally got my coat, my boots, and everything else on and went out and looked up, and all elements were in place. Oh, yeah. I'm sorry to be laughing, but I can picture what you thought when you come home. Yeah. And that's the funny thing about the Gizmachi. You get those horizontal elements. They're actually coming off at a 45 heading down. And, Sunday night we had with snow and freezing rain and everything else, and I refused to go outside and shine my flashlight up. I didn't even want to know what it looked like. They were talking, about between 1/4 and 3/8 of an inch of ice build up, and I just didn't want to see it. No, QSL, no, you're right. Maybe a flamethrower might have reached up and touched it a bit, but I haven't got one of them yet. Yeah, you know what? I could almost see that working, except for the night that it happened here. Well, Sunday night, I think it was. And, the wind was blowing too hard. If I'd have lit something like that, it would have come up under that barrel and went straight horizontal, probably towards the house. That would have made a mess. That's no good.
QSK.
427, you take care. Nice having the chat with you, brother. And 95 Nova Scotia, we'll be setting back. Good to have a good laugh.
I am so sorry. Didn't mean to break the queue, so you guys go ahead. I will stand by. Oh, I appreciate it though, man, and I apologize for breaking that one up. That's wrong on my end. 6-6, I'll stand by.
Somebody come back to 95 there when I got talking to 427, and I apologize. I was writing down, and I can't walk and chew gum at the same time. Somebody coming back to 95 there, go ahead. I think I got it right, but I'm not sure. I got 3-6, and I think it was a 2 in Missouri. Did I have that right? Alright, 365. My apologies. I thought it was 362, but yeah, I got a good copy on you now there. Mother Nature just stirred the pot. You're coming in good. Uh, 365. I know if we waited for, 10, 15 seconds, you're going to come back in, but you did fade on me there. Actually, you didn't fade so much as I had a couple of big ones come in and kind of covered you up. Anyway, I'm going to say 7-3s, brother. You made a good trip up this way. Take care. Okay, 365. I tried to both. So you get the best from the horizontal here, coming in. Anyway, take care, my friend, and look forward to the next time. No, just keep doing it, 365. It's nothing to do with anything to do with you having a weak signal. It's just old Mother Nature. You know how it works. All right, 365, you take care there in Missouri. 95 Nova Scotia, gonna let you go. 7-3. $389 in the diesel cast. Wow, that thing's working good. I hope you don't have the same roads you're driving on as we do up here, because there's nothing but ice. $389, I had a copy on you there, but, same old thing. There's some big scrappers in there, a lot bigger than I am. And, anyway, I did have a copy on you. Anyway, you drive safe, my friend. I know you will. You guys run the roads, and you have to drive for yourself and the other 30 vehicles around you.